Get, please. I-pour mo ha. Pour mo sa hand mo. Yan. Ay! Ay! Okay. Lapit natin. Ano? Inaayos sa visa. Galing. Ay! Yay! Okay. Now, we remove the pants. Okay? Pero, not the underwear, ha? O, remove.
Oh, huwag yung underwear. Yung pants
Ano lang,
lang.
pants lang. Pants only. Pants only. Yan. Ay. Okay. Get shorts. Get shorts. Gab. Not that one. This one. Can you get shorts? Okay, two hands. Two hands. No. Two hands. Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. Other hand. This side. Ready? Okay, go. Ganyan siya.
Ganyan na siya.
Okay. Let me see. Stand up.
Good job.
This one pa. Get. Nahulog. Nahulog. Okay, next one. Next one. Next one. Pull. Get. You pull. Hey. Pull mo na. Hey. Pagod ka na. Pull. Yan. Inside.
Good
Okay, next.
job.
Next. Pull. Pull. Pull first. Pull. 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 Ayan. Put inside. Inside. Pagod na rin yung ano. This one, this one. Inside.
Very good.
Okay, next. Next one. Pull. Pull. Get pa pull. Okay, inside.
One only.
Okay, go. Yan, galing, galing. Okay. Ay, ang galing, galing. Ay, sorry naman. Okay, how about this one? Okay, total magaling ka. 5 more, ha? Less cues na, ha? Okay, go. Go. Gets na niya. Galing. 1. 1. Go. 2.
One only one.
Okay, next. Next. Sige, sige, go. Okay. And one more. Here, here, here. Oh, go. Okay. May pride ko sa mukha niya eh. Okay. Galing naman eh. Yan. Okay, get more beads. Get beads. Tingnan naman ito.
One only.
Okay, put inside. No, put inside. Inside. Okay, more please. Get bead.
Get one, get one.
Okay. Ako na raw. Ikaw na. Go. Here, here. Inside. Okay, wait. Ayusin ko muna life natin. Wait lang. Nagulo na siya eh. Wait lang ha. Give it to your other hand. Give. Sushi. Stop. Okay, ready for the next one? Here you go. Yeah, shoot. Get. Get the... May kanta pa yan, ha?
La 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 la.
Okay. And then, give it to your hand. Give it to your other hand. Yan. Okay. Ready na for this one? Ready for this one? Okay, go. Shoot. Hold it well, ha? Ready? Okay, go. Shoot. Hold. And pull. Oh, ang galing-galing. Don't let go. Don't let go. Give it. Hindi mahirap hanapin. Okay? Galing-galing. Okay. Sushi, hindi pa tapos. Hindi pa tapos, ha?
Si Gab ngayon yung nagre-reklamo.
Oo nga. Okay, go. Shoot.
Oh, shoot it na, shoot it.
Ready, shoot. Baka kaya na mas maiksi. Wait lang. Hindi nag-shoot yun. Again. Again, go. Ready, get set, go. How do you hold it? How do you hold it? Ano pala na-explain na natin yung sports ni Gab?
Oh, gusto niyo daw teach, swimming.
Swimming. May mahanap kayo doon na magtuturo.
Wala pa, pero
Maghanap kayo.
Magko-coach, pero hindi ko sure paano nila i-handle pag gano'n. Pero pag gano'n
Alam
naman
mo,
siya, tinuturuan siya gumata.
Gumagawa siya? Ang galing.
Swimming kami.
Hindi ko na alam pag swimming. Tapos black. Ay, ulit. Tapusin mo. Uy! Super naman to. Okay, here. Ready? Ako yung nagigigil. Okay, I'll hold. Okay, go. Yan. And then get the string. Hindi yan. Get the string.
Yan.
And then, wow! Kaya na niya ang mas maliit. Okay.
Isa pa, one more.
Okay. Hold.
Hold pa.
Titigisin ko may nababanas na.
Iba na to
May naiinis na. Two more. Okay? You can do it. Okay. Ay, shoot na niya. Okay. And then, get the string. Not yet. So, get the string. Yon! Ay! Okay, one more ha. Last one. So, pwede nang
Mag-small.
iksian. Oo, smaller na.
Yan na po yung sa talaga. Sa sapatos. Sige.
Hindi ko sure kasi medyo elastic
Opo.
siya eh.
Sa sapatos.
Ay, actually, pwede pang mastery ng malaki na, yung pag-shoot, kailangan tapusin niya yung process. Pero, pwede na rin mag-practice ito. Kasi ang maganda rin dito is pagkukunin talagang ganun na yung hawak niya dapat para makuha niya. Kaya, last one.
Laki ng
Last
problema
one.
nito.
Heads up.
Last one. Are you ready? After this break muna, kawawa naman. Asa na?
Shoot
Wait,
it, shoot
hawakan
it.
natin mabuti. Okay, ready? Go. Oh, get the string. It's there. Ayan, ang ganda na hawak niya, di ba? Kasi ang liit na talaga eh. Oh, yeah! Okay, rest muna. Rest muna. Hold mo ha. Hold mo. Ready? Stop.
Up.
Ayan, wet na, no? Okay. Huwag mo inumin yan. Gusto, waho pa ba? Okay, again, ha?
Stop pa, stop.
Stop ka, ha? Okay, ready?
Pag inamot po yung...
Yung daliri.
Yun yung pang gauge na. Mapupuno na. Up.
Up.
Stop. Kasi wet na, di ba? Wet. Okay? Again, ha? Again, ha? Sabi niya, bagong parusa na naman to, ha? Bagong activity na naman to, ha? Okay, are you ready? Hold the cup. Hold. Okay, ready? Get set. And 4. Up.
Ma'am, nararamdam. Nararamdaman niya.
You're thirsty. Hindi malinis to. You want water? What do you want?
What do you want?
Ay! What do you want?
Wawa.
Water.
Water.
Meron ka.
Pumitik na yung kamay.
Okay, ready? Let's hold. And then we're going to pour, okay? Wait lang.
Hold naman
Hold,
properly.
guys.
Stop! Oo, nagaan siya. Okay?
Nagre-react.
Yes. So, ganito muna